Oh, hi! Are you planning to venture out into the marketing domain using data science and AI? Well, let me make your job easier. What if I tell you about 5 roles that you can think about and see if you can apply for venturing out into the marketing domain with data science and AI? Well, at number 1, I've got the market data analyst. Now, this person is like the detective of consumer data. They will be analyzing market trends and consumer behavior. This person will identify the patterns that inform marketing strategies, helping the businesses understand their target audience. Analyzing consumer data, identifying market trends, and providing actionable insights are some of the responsibilities. So the skill set that one must possess for this role is proficient in data analysis, skilled in market research tools, and insightful about consumer behavior. Number 2 is AI-powered content creator. These creators will be using the AI tools to generate engaging and relevant content for various platforms. Their work will elevate the content marketing, making it more personalized and efficient. So, developing AI algorithms for content creation and ensuring content relevance and quality are some of the responsibilities. The skill set that an AI ML engineer must possess includes a blend of creativity, obviously, technical proficiency in AI tools, and also a keen understanding of content marketing. Role number 3 is the consumer insight analyst. Well, they will be leveraging data science to provide deep insights into customer preferences and behaviors. Key in designing customer-centric marketing and personalized experience, analyzing consumer data, predicting consumer trends, and recommending marketing strategies will be some of the responsibilities. The skill set will include expertise in data analytics, understanding of consumer psychology, and strategic thinking. Role number 4 is of the digital marketing performance analyst. They will be evaluating and optimizing the performance of digital marketing campaigns, essential in maximizing the ROI of digital marketing efforts, monitoring the campaign performance, using analytics for optimization, and reporting on key metrics are some of the responsibilities. The skill set includes obviously a very good proficiency in digital marketing tools, analytical mindset, and focus on results. Last but not the least, I've got the SEO and web analytics expert. Well, this person will be optimizing the website content for better search engine ranking and analyzing the web traffic data. They will be playing a crucial role in increasing the online visibility and understanding online consumer behavior. So, how to implement the SEO strategy, how to analyze the web traffic, and optimizing website performance will be some of the responsibilities. And for that, one must possess in-depth knowledge of SEO practices, proficiency in web analytics tools, and strategic approach to content. So that is about it. I hope this was helpful. So you can think about these roles that use data science and AI if you are venturing out into the marketing domain. All the best.